Hi, Scott Doolan at MarineMax. So we're going to take a look at a Sea Ray 250 SDX in Horizon Blue. This one also has the water sports tire with the matching color insert in it. Really good looking boat, nice high-sided boat, plenty of freeboard. Really popular boat for us here in North Texas. All right, so starting at the back of the boat, nice walk-through transom, so you don't have to step on the seats getting in and out. Really nice. This one does have the optional flip-over swim platform, one of the most popular options on all of the fiberglass boats that we do here in the Dallas area. Nice big sun pad on the back, and great access on the back to slide skis and boards in from the back. It's really nice. It helps keep the wear and tear down on the upholstery. The fins on the boards can't cut the upholstery if they never get inside the boat, so keep all that stuff back here on the very back. Also, pair of USB ports back here, water sprayer back here, another stereo remote control back here. So really nicely laid out transom seating area. This is on a hinge, so once you get to where you're going, you can flip that seat this way, flip this like this, put your backrest towards the front of the boat, and it gives you a much larger cockpit area. So really nice. Removable table would go right here. This tower does fold, also has an extra large bimini top. So it's one of the things really important here in the Dallas area where it's really hot and sunny all the time. Shade from here all the way back to approximately here. So as big as this cockpit is, it does shade the entire area. Single screen digital dash, Fusion audio, that's the upgraded version, as well as a really nice cabin area down below. This front cushion does flip up. There is a pump out head underneath there, so if you need to use the bathroom, you actually have one on board. And then kind of unique in a lot of the Sea Rays, you have this walkthrough over here on your port side, which makes way for a really large bow seating area, especially for a 25-foot boat. So really nice layout from Sea Ray. The boat rides well, performs even better. So if you have any questions about this or any of the other boats, pick up the phone and give us a call. We look forward to talking to you.